This is the best self-massage routine to release your tight triceps in only 10 minutes. And I'm here from trainingmassage.com. And the first thing we're doing here is rolling out the triceps, basically just trying to warm it up. And the way I like to do this is by using a smaller ball like a lacrosse ball or an MV5 ball. All you're doing here is simply rolling out the entire muscle. You can keep your arm extended or have it bent, whatever is more comfortable for you. Go ahead and do both sides for 60 seconds each side. Next up, we're going to be doing static pressure. While you were warming up the muscle, I'm sure you found at least 1 to 2 tender spots that you can go and now work on with static pressure. The idea here is that we're applying as much pressure as we can tolerate while also being able to breathe. If you are wincing and if you're contracting from too much pain, then the muscle is also contracting and is not going to release. Once again, go ahead and hold static pressure, taking big deep breaths for 60 seconds on each side. Now from here, we're going to be doing micro movements. Go ahead and move back and forth and side to side on that most tender spot. Once again, you can keep your arm extended or you can have it flexed. The idea here is instead of applying static pressure now, we're simply holding pressure there and then going back and forth here about 1 to 2 inches off of it. So not only are we working on the main spot, but we're also working on the surrounding areas as well. Once again, 1 minute each side. Up next is a pin and stretch. Go ahead and pin down the most tender spot that you can find with the arm extended. Now from here, apply pressure and then flex the arm in order to stretch out the biceps. This is not only going to help you work on the trigger points, but also release the fascia and help the tissues slide on top of each other. Go ahead and reset and then repeat for 1 minute. And now finally, what we're going to be doing here is what I like to call a grab and stretch. You're simply going to be using your other arm to grab onto the tissues on both sides, pull it away from the bone, and then you're going to again take your arm through its full ranges of motion. So now instead of pinning down one spot, we're simply going to grab onto the entire muscle here in order to help those tissues slide on top of each other as opposed to with each other. One more time, 1 minute on each side. Let me know in the comment section how you're feeling. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you like that routine, then you're definitely going to like this routine up here.